Hello and welcome, dear friends. In today's video, we are going to watch some heartfelt moment as Coach Prime escorted Shedeur and Shilo Sanders during Colorado Senior Day. After the video, please watch some top reaction comments from the viewers. But before that, please subscribe the channel and help me to get 5,000 subscribers.
A cornerback from Waxahachie, Texas, number 24, Preston Hahn.
And finally, a quarterback from Dallas, Texas, number 2, Shedeur Sanders. And a safety, number 21, Shilo Sanders. Joined by Deion, Coach Prime Sanders. They're joined on the field.
Responds to your seating location. Thank you for your attention.
Here we go! Football ready! Tighten up, everybody tighten up, Let's play football! Hell yeah! This is football weather! Let's play football! You understand that? Yes, sir. Let's toughen it up! Yes, sir. Let's get ready! 6-6, break it down! Hey man, this should be nothing else to be said, man! This is our house! Let's be there! I'm for the serious, man! This is it! This is it! Give everything you fucking got! Get paid! Hey, 1 on 3! 1, 2, 3! Win!
And finally, a quarterback from Dallas, Texas, number 2, Shedeur Sanders. And a safety, number 21, Shilo Sanders. Joined by Deion, Coach Prime Sanders.
Now it's time to watch some heartfelt reaction comments from the viewers.
Before you go pro reacted, man, they were supposed to do the primetime dance together. DT Colbert reacted, their mom is always at the games. I wonder why she didn't make it on the field. Edward reacted, yeah, mom should have been on the field too. That's a moment for a parent, but it was beautiful to watch.
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more reactions, news, stories, and headlines.